Tired of financial stress and ready to take control? Today, we're diving into how to leverage Experian's platform to find and apply for personal loans, so you can achieve your financial goals with confidence. First, navigate to the Experian website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one, which is totally free. Once you're logged in, take a look at your credit report and score. This is crucial because it directly impacts the loan offers you'll receive. Experian provides you with a free credit report, making it easy to understand your creditworthiness. Now, find the Loans or Personal Loan section, usually located in the main menu or dashboard. This is where Experian's loan comparison tool lives. Click on it to start exploring your options. You'll see a list of potential loan offers from various lenders. Experian acts as a marketplace, showing you different options based on your credit profile. Pay close attention to the interest rates, loan terms, monthly payments, and any associated fees. Before applying, carefully review the eligibility criteria for each loan. Make sure you meet the lender's requirements for income, credit score, and other factors. This will save you time and prevent disappointment. When you've found a loan that fits your needs and you meet the eligibility criteria, click on the Apply Now button. This will redirect you to the lender's website, where you'll complete the formal application process. Be prepared to provide personal and financial information. And that's it. You've successfully navigated Experian's platform to find and apply for a personal loan. Remember to always borrow responsibly and make timely payments to maintain a healthy credit score. Good luck.